Hi guys, I'll be doing a vlog on us going to serve Ewa Agoyin at an event. It is a wedding, so I'm taking you through it. This is just boiling the pepper for the stew, and then this is plantain, almighty plantain. You know what they say if you don't like plantain? You should be jailed because plantain is top notch. I'm telling you, it's so nice, and then golden brown, the way everyone loves it. Or how do you love your plantain? Isn't it golden brown? And then this is the best part. This is the beans, always looking buttered. We can't eat these beans and want more cause it is heavenly. This is the protein sauce. Then this us looking all set up because we have to freshen up. You know what they say? We have to look good even at our best. So this is my PA. This PA, God, this PA, I don't know, let's leave it. But then see this sauce, this bean sauce especially. If you know it, then you know something good. Now we are already done, looking all set up, looking beautiful as always, looking sexy. Ewa Agoyin, Bukumi. So the protein sauce is ready, looking good, and it tastes nice. That is, tastes very, very nice as always. So we're already in the car going to the event center because we can't be late. We can never be late. Why should we be late? No, we can't. So we are there already trying to set up. So we already set up. See, the setting is so mad and nice. Can you see how it's looking sleek as always? So let me take you through. So this is the protein sauce. Can you see, looking nice? And then this is the bean sauce. Oh my, when the sauce was open, people were farms and they were like, what are you people serving? They were just so farms in this. I was like, good. So, and I actually ate there also. And then we are here to serve. This is the main course. We were serving all through. Like, people were just ordering for beans. They love the beans, and they were like, we've not ate this type of beans before. This beans is nice. And I'm not even capping, guys. The beans is so nice. People were like, we finished serving, not even long. We finished everything. And then this is the PO. Come on, see, when I told you can't go wrong with this way, this time I can talk about that. She was sorting for food. You know what she did? She was like, okay, other caterers was like, give us food. So she was like, if you give me what you are serving, I'll give you what I'm serving. That's how she sorted for all this. When I tell you she sorted for all this, and at the point I was really tired. I was like, girl, leave it, I'm tired, I don't want to eat again. She was like, no, she's not tired. She ate and she keep bringing. And then that's all, guys. Thank you.